Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about what to do and how to fix the pattern lock when it's not recognized on your DOOGEE Blade 20 Max. DOOGEE, doesn't matter. The thing that matters is that this is this device. And the first thing that I am gonna tell you is that if you are sure that the screen pattern that you made is the correct one, and you are sure that you are putting the one that you put, you can go to device support and they should have it fixed for you. They should get the data from the phone, but you have to only purchase, and they will do everything for you, but you have to call them. But if you're not sure and you don't really think that you will win in the authorized service to have the repair for free and get all of your data, what I recommend doing is to just factory reset your device. I mean, it's a pity. It's because if you, for example, have the fingerprint sensor working, you can unlock your phone still using the fingerprint, and you don't have to factory reset this device. But if you don't have the fingerprint sensor, don't have the face unlock, you have to do a factory reset to every device. And if you haven't done a backup, you will lose all your data. So to do a factory reset, you need to at first hold the power button and volume up. Pardon me. Yes, volume up, click power off, and now your device will automatically shut down. Now, if you wait some 10 seconds after the process of shutdown, you can now hold the power, volume up, and release the power when you see that your phone vibrates. You have to hold the volume up button. Now, as I can see, it's small, but I will zoom in for you. Select boot mode. I will move my decorations over here. Select boot mode, and here we do have to select the recovery mode using the volume up button. As you can see, it has to be the first thing, and click power over here. But pardon me, not power, volume down over here. Now, in a moment, everything will disappear, and you will see no command. No command is not like that Android is broken. It's just a security thing, and you need to hold the power and click the volume up. Now, as you can see, we are in the Android recovery mode. We need to move with the volume down to the wipe data / factory reset. Click this power button, go down with this button over here, volume down, and click with the power factory data reset. I won't do it because I need my data actually on my device, so I will just cancel it and reboot system. But if you want to factory reset, you just have to click that and you'll be done. You will be welcomed with welcome screen on your and setup screen on your device. But the thing you have to remember is that you need to remember the password onto your Google account that was during the setup and logged into your account, to your phone. As because there is something called Google FRP on every single Android device that's new, and this is a limit for the robbers, the pocket stealers. When they steal your device, they can't use it because when they factory reset it, they would need to know your password. And if they don't know, your phone will be just erased and thrown away, and your data would be safe, your phone would be safe, and this is just it. So you need to remember your password. And of course, if you do have the access to this account, you can just change the password, etc., etc. But of course, we're not using this device. So if you don't know the password, you have to do some other ways to achieve this password once again. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.